Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line here are coming from, but they definitely factor into today's analysis. First is just a point of confirmation, meaning for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, I talked about right around 205 as a level of support, and surprise, surprise, that's right where the level came down. Or I should say the price came down to this level, found some support, and then from there bounced upwards. So definitely 205 is that key level that you want to see continue to hold as support. But so far so good. That is the level of support that held strong today. Now on the flip side of things, this is where kind of a great example of a theory. Something that's talked about, in theory that has, played out perfectly here in reality. And that is the rule that states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. If you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that rule before. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, I talked about right around the 260-ish mark as support. And with the price gapping down below it this morning, that would be where, all right, well, now you would expect that to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened here. Late day, they got the bounce, and then a couple times this afternoon, that's right where the price could not get up above. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it's impossible for the price to ever get up above that red line again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price decided to struggle right around that area. It was not a coincidence. It's just that rule that's going from theory to the reality of the situation. So that is certainly going to be, public enemy number one going forward in the very short term. In the event the price can push up through that level and get a good solid breakout, next overall level of resistance right up there around the $3 mark. So keep an eye on $3. But before you start talking about 3 and doing battle with that, bulls first need to get up above and clear and stay above this 260-ish area. So these would be the couple areas of resistance. And then again, right around 205 is that key level of support that, again, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding today. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.